Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Subhash Sonone. I welcome you to Eminent Thinkers. Now, today is the last video about the detailing of the announcements of 20 lakh crores. We know that this amount was not 20 lakh crore, but it was 21 lakh crores. And out of which, how much was the direct help? Before the announcement by the Prime Minister, some of the things were already happened, and out of that, some direct help was about 69,000 crores. And during these 5 days, whatever the Finance Minister declared, in that about 1 lakh crore was the direct help. So out of the 21 lakh crore, the direct help was 1,70,000 crores. Of course, out of this 1,70,000 crores, the most important one, according to me, was the 40,000 crores, which was allotted to the scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Scheme. The budget provision for this year under this scheme was 61,000 rupees, and this was the additional provision of 40,000 rupees, and this additional provision was particularly for those migrant workers who have reached their states, and for the problem of their employment, this provision has been made, and it is really a very good thing. They are the most needy people for this purpose. One more provision has been made, and that is that the states are allowed to raise the loans more than what it was earlier. The earlier provision was that the 3% of the GDP can be raised as a loan, and this 3% in terms of amount, it becomes 6,42,000 crores. But out of this 6,42,000 crores, the various states have raised only 1 lakh crore. In spite of that, the government of India, the central government, has permitted to raise the loans to the extent of 5%, amounting total to 10,70,000 crores, means additional provision of about 4,28,000 crores. When the states are allowed to raise the loans, this loan has to be raised from the public. And though the states have been permitted to raise this loan, what about the amount which is already due to the central government? The Maharashtra alone has the GST dues towards central government to the tune of 16,000 crores. So the total GST dues of all the states, I don't know the exact figure, but it must be between 1,50,000 to 2 lakh crores. Recently, Honorable Nitin Gadkari, the minister in the Modi ji's cabinet, has declared that the MSMEs, that is micro, small and medium scale industries, they have the dues of around 5 lakh crore towards either the government or the various government companies, various corporations. Out of this 5 lakh crore, how much is towards government and towards government companies is not known. But why government companies are not paying? The main reason is that even those government companies have dues towards central government. I could not find the figure of all the government companies, but just one company, that is Food Corporation of India. This Food Corporation of India has the dues of 2,55,000 crores towards central government. After reading these big figures, I was little under pressure, and therefore I thought that no, let me not read all these things, let me read something else. And I found one very positive thing, and that is that 4 companies have surveyed all over the world and they wanted to know which people have the positive thinking during this corona pandemic. And they found that when they surveyed several countries, several people from the several countries, and they found that the Indian people have the most positive thinking. All these 4 surveys show that Indian people think that we will definitely come over the corona pandemic and the economy will be smoothened very shortly. When the Indian people, all these Indian people have such a positive thinking, I thought, why should I not have the positive thinking? And one thing occurred to me. Various scientists have studied and found, and they have also warned that this corona epidemic is going to have its worst course during June and July. Means that is yet to come. The respected Modi ji must have thought that if I spend all the money now, and then if the worst things are coming up ahead, what I can spend that time? So Modi government must have thought that yes, we will be able to help the people during the worst period, and worst period has not yet come, and therefore Modi government has rightly decided not to give direct help right now, and they will certainly, and government will be certainly providing the helping hand during the worst times. Now this 20 lakh episode is over. I talked to you 5 times, but entire thing is not over. I will be continue talking to you on various social issues, political issues, economical issues. Just as you have viewed this video, I request you to view my future videos also. Thank you very much.